Among the many problems you may face with Microsoft Edge, one infuriating issue is this error message. So if you happen to have the same problem, here are some ways on how to fix it. Now the profile error might appear due to a browser temporary glitch. And the best thing to try in this situation is to restart your browser. To restart it, open Microsoft Edge, then open the Task Manager, switch to Processes tab, and then close all the Edge-related services. After that, open Microsoft Edge again and check for the issue if the problem persists. But if that method did not work, delete the Microsoft Edge web data file. Do it by opening Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Now navigate to this location, then right-click on Web Data File and choose Delete from the context menu. Once done, reboot your computer and check if you're still facing the problem. Now another method is to disable any third-party antivirus programs. To do that, right-click on the antivirus icon in the system tray, choose Shield Controls, then choose the option to disable it from the context menu. Now that's how you can fix the Microsoft Edge profile error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.